On a lighter note, Burger King Japan reveals its fake burger ingredients. Of course, you know Japan's got to do it different. Scroll down a little bit, Willie do. And
Chip Buddy.
It's called a Chip Buddy. I guess this is a UK classic. I did not know that. This is for people who are looking for a mega carb fest. However, Burger King in Japan has embraced the trend. This burger is, well, it's not a burger at all. It is 2 buns, and smashed between them, it's a bunch of French fries with a meat sauce on top. And they're calling it the fake burger in Japan. It's available for a limited time, 2 weeks for around $2.75. It's made up of layers of thick-cut, crispy French fries topped with a meat sauce, which is made of minced beef and mayo piled on a burger bun. The thing that's striking about this, of course, I know Japan can do anything, but what's striking is it's actually a classic in the UK. This is what they do in the UK. I mean, I've been to the UK. Nobody offered me this. But
What is it called?
Chip Buddy.
A Chip Buddy.
A
with
chip.
2 T's.
Yes,
Yeah,
B-U-T-T-Y. A Chip Buddy. And in the UK, I think, based on some of the comments I read here, in the UK, what you would have is gravy instead of the meat sauce. You would have fries, gravy, and a bun on each side,
Okay.
which is wild, and it must be messy because these fries are flying everywhere.
Yeah.
That's, of course, what I'm thinking about. But either way, I could imagine if you had a few too many to drink, and all of a sudden you need to soak up all that sitting there in the belly. You hit it with a couple of buns and a bunch of fries, and you're back into good health. Anyway, shout out to Burger King Japan for doing something different.